We are looking now at an early 19th century, quite monumental geographical dictionary or gazetteer. It's in a period binding where someone has done long ago these rather crude leather repairs to the joints. Kind of fascinating in a way. It's almost like a home job, and the leather does show signs of time and handling. It's got its original gilt title label, though, which is kind of nice. There's an early signature, owner signature here. The covers, it still remains firmly bound. We see the title page, American Universal Geography. It's an extensive description of the United States as of 1819, published in Charleston, which is actually Boston. There's a frontis map here that is likely copper engraved that shows the world in double hemispheres. There was a separate atlas of 63 maps by Arrowsmith, which was published separately and is not with this volume, of course. This is by Jedidiah Morse, very famous American early teacher and considered the grandfather of American geography instruction in the country. We find within this text discussions of locations such as Michigan Territory and Northwest Territory here, including climate, soil, bay, zoology, mineralogy. This page, for instance, is still unopened as issued. Here's Missouri Territory. Absolutely interesting Arkansaw Territory, fascinating contents. There's Louisiana, Western Territory, like so. We get into Spanish America, then Mexico, and the West Indies, the Caribbean islands, and so on, down all the way down to South America. The second map that is bound within this volume, so I do believe that the two maps that are called for are here. This is a very interesting map. It lists 24 states or territories at this point, and we see here an elongated Arkansaw Territory there. We see a vast Missouri Territory here, Northwest Territory here. It's primarily Native American tribes. This is the southern boundary of the United States right here, so Mexico still owned New Albion or California. There are a couple annotations here which are quite interesting. This one about the western limits of this lake are unknown, and here is Lake Timpanogos, which has an undefined northern boundary, but in fact this is the Great Salt Lake in Utah. And so this very nice early 19th century universal geography book is available now online from me, Brian DeMambro.